What's up? What's going on, everyone? What's going on, everyone? So we have like 8 concurrent viewers right now. We just have to wait till we get to like 20 viewers. Then we can continue. I have tons of information that I would like to share with you guys in this live stream, but I need at least enough audience to continue so that it can be worth it. If not, I'm just gonna, go and record the video. The market is going to open in the next 29 minutes. And I think something big is going to happen today. What up, everyone? Please let me know in the comment section if you can hear me. What's going on, investors? What is going on, investors? Bionano Genomics, Jumia, Neo, DOGE, and Tesla. Doge. What up, everyone? I'm live. Hello, Daniele. If you would like me to analyze any stock for you, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, just drop it in the comment section, okay? Drop it. A lot of people are making a lot of money right now, guys. I mean, just take a look at Doge, for example. It went down to, 24 cents at one point, 21 cents at one point, just about not even up to 3 weeks ago, It went down on the 19th of last month to 21 cents. Right now, it's trading at 41 cents. That is about 100%. Okay. So, I have a lot of stocks that I would like to share with you guys, but we need enough viewers. What is going to happen today? A lot of things will happen today, guys. I mean, we saw what happened yesterday. Bionano Genomics tricked a lot of day traders. It set a bear trap yesterday for day traders, only to return back to the bullish, just like it did on the 27th of last month. We went down at the beginning of the market. Once the market opened, 3 candles, 3 hourly candlesticks, bam, 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 then bam, 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 bam. So that's what happened yesterday. We went down for 2 hours, then we retraced. So a lot of things is going to happen. A lot of things will happen, guys. Good morning, Shayla. Good morning, everyone. I'm happy I am here also. I would like to just, go through the market with you guys. The market is going to open in the next 26 minutes. So we can be here together and see what's going to happen today, okay? Yesterday was a bit scary. A lot of investors were scared yesterday. Once the market opened, Bngo opened yesterday, then it went down to about around this level, $5.88 US. A lot of investors panicked out. Anytime the stock price is going down, people start to spread food. They start to spread fear, uncertainty, and denial, trying to scare other retail traders out of their positions. So mostly that's what happens mostly whenever the stock price is going down. You start to read all this negative comment in across the social media, on Twitter, on StockTweet, on any trading platform that you use, any broker. Retail investors, they start to panic. They close their position, and what's mostly happening next is once you close your position, the stock price is going to turn back and starts to go on the direction that you were expecting it to go to. So Yeah, good morning, Scott. BNGO. Oh my God, what a question. BNGO. Let me show you guys something. Scott, let me show you something. I'm going to show you something because you are asking if BNGO is a buy today. Take a look at this, Scott. You know, this is the channel that BNGO has been following since March, since almost the middle of March. Okay, you guys can see that we came down around this level to 6.5 US dollars. We retraced back to this level, almost 10 US dollars. Then we came back down here, retraced. So this channel right here has been broken. It was broken like 2 days ago. Okay, on Friday. This is Friday. This is yesterday because market was closed on Monday. So we broke this channel, and this is one of my channels that I have been tracking. I think I already made a video about last week. I made a video, telling my subscribers that Bionano Genomics bearish trend was over. This is it right here. This candle right here. So this candle right here, I made a video and I advised, most of my subscribers not to panic sell their position, that the trend, the bearish trend, the storm was over. So since then, I think we are up since that time that I made that video. I think we are up about 20% since then. Okay, so you can see this candle right here. So if your question is if now is still a good time to buy BNGO, there is never a good time to. You just have to average. If you believe in a company mission, if you believe in their product, if you believe in their team, there is never a good time to. There's never a specific best time to invest. You just have to average in. If you have 300 US dollars that you would like to invest in a stock, the best thing to do is you just have to average in your money. You put your money in little by little. Okay, so that's what I mostly advise. If you have 300 US dollars, you could, for example, put in 50 US dollars, just to test the water to see what is going on with the with the company, just to build your conviction with the company, with the stock. Then after you put in 50 US dollars and you see how it is, let's say for example your 50 US dollars turns green, you can then add another 50 US dollars. But once just give me a second, I'm going to show you something. So this is it, because I want to answer your question perfectly. This is where we are in 2021, and according to most analysts out there and my own model, this is my 9 years projection of Bionano Genomics. Right here we are, okay, 2021, and this is what I am projecting, okay. And if you take a look at this, right now the company is not profitable. In the next 2 years, I expect them to be profitable in 2023. So when do you want to, invest in Bionano Genomics? Is it when it is already too expensive or when it is too cheap? So right now, BNGO, in my opinion, is cheap. I have been investing in this company right here. This is when I started to go crazy about Bionano Genomics. Right here before Christmas, around this 50 point something, right here. This candle right here. I hope you guys can see it. That's where I got crazy about BNGO. 50 cents, guys, 50 cents. So you can see since then I rode it up to here. At one point my positions were growing like 2,500%. And so now we are retracing. And of course, if you are day trading, a day trader would have taken profit above, okay. And once the price comes down, buy in again. So you buy low, you sell high. That is basically what most successful investors and day trader or whatever, that is what they do. You buy low, you sell high. So if you believe we are low, if we are cheap right now, I mean, then now is still a good time to put money in this company. But if you think it's too expensive, then you can wait on the sideline and wait and see what's gonna happen in the next few days, weeks, months, years. Okay, so the market is going to open in the next 21 minutes. So Sapphire is a solid product. Let me take a look at what you guys are discussing. Dogecoin is going crazy, guys. Dogecoin went as high as 43 cents at one point today. 43 cents. Okay, we have the support right here, and this right here is a resistance. Okay, and we can see it is forming something that you can call it head and shoulder, but of course it's too early to tell. We just have to wait and see. Okay, so I think Coinbase is going to, they are going to finally allow their customers to be able to invest or buy Dogecoin. That is why the price of Dogecoin went crazy yesterday. From yesterday, it has been going crazy till today. It opens today around 33 cents and it got to 43 cents. So that is Dogecoin for you guys. Yeah, it's a solid buy. Bngo is getting ready for in my opinion. Yeah, Bngo is just getting ready to go crazy, guys. I mean, long-term investment. If you want some adrenaline and you would like to see your portfolio go up down, day trading, maybe Bngo is not for you. But if your plan is to invest in a company that is at least going to that is going to be much more safer, your money is going to be safer, then Bngo, in my opinion, of course it's not financial advice, is a good place to put your money. I have more than 80% of my money invested in Bionano Genomics, guys. So yeah, Coinbase is going to list Doge tomorrow. Yesterday was the news. They broke that news yesterday, and since then we can see a lot of buying pressure. A lot of investors are putting their money into Dogecoin. And of course, it's not only Dogecoin that is going crazy. We have also BNB going higher. I think Ethereum also went higher, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is new. This is the Tesla of China, like they call it. NEO is also breaking out. This is what happened with NEO yesterday. It went crazy. Yesterday when I went live, I was talking about NEO. I shared a lot of information about NEO with you guys. Chinese government, they mostly support their own company, okay? So that's why I believe NEO went crazy. There was a positive news about NEO yesterday. So Jumia, so if you guys have some money left, some leftover, something to play with, this is not investment advice. I will keep saying that, but I just have to share my own opinion anyway. Jumia is breaking out. I have been tracking this and I have shared it with my private Discord members, okay? Jumia, you guys can see I have been buying Jumia right here when it's open with a cap down at 17 US dollars. My positions are green in Jumia. Jumia is another one you might want to take a look at once the market opens, okay? Jumia, JMIA, that is the ticker. Don't do yourself, guys. A lot of stocks are going crazy. While we invest, I am invested long term in Bngo, but of course I have a lot of short term investment as well. And Jumia is one of the companies that I am not day trading. Okay, it's more or less a long term investment for me as well, because this company is also doing something that is amazing. That was the breakout, but of course it was a bear trap. This was a bear trap right here. Once the market opened, the stock price opened with a cap down on the 11th of May. A lot of investors probably panicked and they sold their position, or some of them opened a sell position, short position, hoping the stock would go down to at least 10 US dollars, but that didn't happen. We haven't turned back since then. You guys can see it has been going higher since then, okay? So Jumia is one of them. And let's take a look at AMC. AMC right now pre-market, I think it is up like 20% right now pre-market. AMC, guys, AMC is going crazy. Yesterday the stock went as high as just a second, I'm going to pull it up right here. I'm gonna use this second telephone. This is AMC, guys. AMC, I mean, if you bought AMC yesterday, once the market, I think the pre-market is up like 20% right now. So if you are invested in AMC, you should be expecting your position to be at least opening with a cap up. AMC. Yeah, AMC is up pre-market 21.16%. It is right now trading at 38 US dollars pre-market, 38 US dollars. There are a lot of bullish news about AMC most recently, and yesterday the company made a stock offering, and to my surprise, investors love it. They love the stock offering. As you guys can see in the pre-market, it is up 21%. I mean, that is absolutely. You would think if a company performs a stock offering, you would think investors are going to panic and run out of the position, but that is not the case with AMC. They made a stock offering yesterday, and investors are still going crazy about this stock. Take a look at that. That was a breakout. Of course, I've been tracking AMC from here, from 12 point something US dollars. That is when I have been tracking this breakout for like 2 weeks now. Okay, so you guys can see the breakout right here. So if you are wondering which other company, which other stock is about to break out, I just gave you guys one of Bionano Genomics is one that is just happening. Okay, Bionano Genomics, this was the first breakout right here, and then bam. Okay, this is the second one happening. But right now, Bngo in pre-market, let me take a look at what Bngo is saying pre-market, so that we can know what to prepare. Okay, this live stream is going to be I think I'm going to end this live stream in the next probably in the next 30 minutes or 45 minutes maximum. Okay, so I'm just going to stay here with you guys, and we are going to see what's gonna happen with Bngo for the first 30 minutes, like always. So Bngo right now pre-market is down like 1.27%. Yesterday we went down for almost 5%. Yesterday Bionano Genomics went down, and today, I mean, yesterday we went down like let me switch over to the 1 hour candlestick because I want to show you guys. So yesterday we went down like 4% right here. So if you were averaging in, if you were buying the dips yesterday, if you bought the dip yesterday while we were down like 4%, your position would be up like 6% right now from the low to the high. That would be like 6%, I believe. So that's what happened with Bngo yesterday. Another company that somebody suggests me to talk about, what's about to happen, guys? We are just breaking out. We are breaking out. I mean, when do you want me to tell you guys that something big is about to happen? When the stock price is at 15 US dollars. That's why I am making this live stream. That's why I make video every day, to let you guys know what is going on fundamentally, technically. You don't want me to tell you guys all this information once the stock price is at 15 US dollars. The best time that I could share this information with you guys is right now, when the stock price is about to go parabolic. That's why I am live. Okay, that's why I'm here to share information with you guys, to hopefully help you to make better decisions, because I am not a financial advisor, so I just have to be careful as well. That's why I'm here, guys. Something big is about to happen, and we are just at the beginning. Okay, yeah, pre-market don't matter. Yesterday we saw the stock price went down 4%, only to close at 2%. When I came live yesterday, I told you guys that you should be ready to see yesterday in my live. You can easily go to my channel and you can find the video. I said it. In the worst case yesterday I was expecting the market to close at least minus 1%, not -5 or 4%. Okay, because when we started to go down. So that's what I expect to keep happening. This is a bullish trend, okay? And you guys have to know, I am very grateful that I don't have a lot of viewers, so I can share as many hidden secret information from my experience, from over 10 years experience of this trading and investing in this stock market. I can share more information with you guys since we don't have a lot of viewers. So whenever a trend is bullish, you don't expect the candlesticks to be green. You don't expect the stock to just open with a cap up and start going higher. Okay, this is not a meme stock. Even though some investors place, for example, they wrote article telling us that Bngo went from 50 cents to 15.56 US dollars because Reddit retail traders or whatever, they turn it into a meme stock. They come together and pump the stock price up, blah blah blah. Guys, Bngo is not a meme stock in my opinion, and Bngo is now a small cap. It used to be penny stock like 5 months ago, but nobody wanted to invest in this company when it was trading at 50 cents. It was at one point trading even below 50 cents. Look at this. Bngo was even trading at 48 cents in December. 48 cents. Nobody wanted to invest in this company, but immediately it went to 15.56 US dollars. I believe that is why most of you guys are watching this live stream right now, okay? Because immediately Bngo went crazy, everybody started to talk about Bngo, and media houses, they start to talk about Bngo also. Nobody was talking about this company. I started to invest in Bngo when it was 50 cents, when nobody even, what I mean, some people were talking about it, but not enough, okay? Not like Tesla or Neo or Google or Facebook or Netflix or whatever. But immediately the stock price went to 15 US dollars. Immediately in January 1st, we opened with a cap up around this level, around around 5 US dollars. We opened in January, 4th of January. Everybody started to talk about Bionano Genomics. Then we went to 56 US dollars. Everyone on Google, everybody was searching about. I'm going to show you guys Bionano Genomics. Let me even show you stock trend. Okay. I want to show. I hope I'm going to find the Google stock trend. I don't. If you guys know the name of this Google search trend or something like that. Google Trends. Okay, Google Trends. Let me show you guys what happened with Bngo when it went crazy, because right now a lot of people are talking about Bngo. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Okay, here it is. Look at that. On the December 13th to December 19th, almost nobody was talking about Bionano Genomics. Okay, almost nobody. Then it went. You guys can see the trend right here. Interest over time till January, from the 3rd of January to 9th of January, 100%. Everyone was talking about Bionano Genomics. Even if I went to Yahoo Finance on this date in the 1st and 2nd week of January, and Bionano Genomics was the trending ticker. Ticker Bngo was trending like crazy in January. The 1st week of January, the 2nd week of January, it was trending. And everyone started to talk about Bionano Genomics. But guys, right now, this is the best. Look at this. Right now, almost nobody is talking about the stock, okay? That's why probably I have 21 concurrent viewers right now. If I was making this live stream in January, believe me, I would have 1,000 viewers. 1,000 minimum. 1,000 viewers right now. Most people talk about stocks whenever it is expensive, okay? Look at Dogecoin, for example, today. Doge. I'm just going to, I am not only here to talk about Bngo price action and stuff. I am also here to share my own experience, psychological, traders, investor psychology. Look at Dogecoin, for example. Few days ago, it was right here. It was here, 21 cents. Nobody wanted to invest in it. They were not talking about it. Everybody started to talk negative about Dogecoin. They started to insult Elon Musk on Twitter. The Bitcoin Maximus or what they call them. Everyone started to talk bad about Dogecoin. Then all of a sudden, yesterday we saw this news from Coinbase Pro that they were going to activate Dogecoin, and you would be able to buy Dogecoin from Coinbase Pro. What happened? Bam, the stock price went parabolic today. It is still going crazy. Look at it. Look at that. For hours, the stock the price of the the price of the cryptocurrency has been going crazy since yesterday. Since 7 o'clock yesterday, German time, it has been rising. Right now, it is correcting a little bit because it has reached a resistance point. You guys can see it right here. That is a resistance around this 0.4344 cents. Okay, so nobody wanted to buy it here when it was here. So that is more or less what is happening right now. Now that Bngo is at this bottom, I hope you guys can see this screen very well, because I don't really know what's happening with this screen. I hope you guys can see it very well. I don't know why my screen, oh my god, I think I did something. Okay, so now it's better. So that is exactly what is happening with Bionano Genomics right now. Bngo right now is around here. It is breaking out. Nobody is talking about it. And if you talk positive about this stock, everyone will say Dayo is pumping Bngo. Okay, that's what they will keep saying. But once the stock price gets back to this level, 15.5 US dollars, I would still be here talking about Bngo. Okay, so I will just be laughing. Once we get back to this level, I will be laughing. You don't expect me to share everything on a live stream. Or I can't share everything I know about Bngo in a video, in one video. That's why I make several videos every day, and that's why I put together these 72 pages of due diligence, so that some of you guys that are long-term investors in Bionano Genomics, can go over and read about Bngo. You can at least do your own due diligence. And if you don't like reading, this is the link to the video. You don't need to read 72 pages. You can just click on this video, maybe while you are driving, or while you are at work, or maybe you are just cleaning your house, or you are in the garden chilling, or you are making barbecue, or you are somewhere sunbathing. Play this video, put on your earphone, and listen to. I read everything without my own comment. No bias, no bullshit. I read everything, no pumping, nothing. I read everything about Bngo. You just have to listen to me, 100% due diligence, introduction to Bionano Genomics, blah, blah, blah. Then you can make up your own mind, okay? So let me take a few seconds. I'm trying to see if the market, okay, we have 4 minutes till the market opening. So let me quickly go through what you guys have been saying, because I have been blabbering for a while. What is going to happen? Sapphire is a solid product. Yes, Sheila, Sapphire is a solid product. We need 16 more people in here to get started. 30 pips need to be in here to start the chart. Good morning, Mark. What's going on, everyone? Good morning, Scott. What's up, Usman? Welcome. Let's go, Usman. Let's go. Yes, I have the Bngo lucky hat. Bngo lucky hat. What's going on, everyone? What's up, everyone? My name is Dayo. If you are new on this channel, my name is Dayo, and this right here is Frunkla Investment. We talk about Bionano Genomics stock. Guys, few minutes ago, before I started this live stream, I was super tired. I was almost sleeping, I was almost sleeping. But whenever I come on and I start to share, information about Bionano Genomics, it somehow energizes me, okay? It's crazy. The kind of energy I get from talking about this company is just crazy. It's unbelievable. So, Osman, Alhamdulillah. So, we have AMD. These are the stocks I am watching today, okay? We have AMD. You guys can see what is happening with AMD. AMD is about to go crazy, guys. AMD is about to go crazy. It has been consolidating for months. Since August of 2020, AMD has been consolidating. It has more or less not been doing anything. Not like Nvidia. Nvidia has gone crazy, but AMD, look at that. AMD has not really been doing anything. And you guys should know that whenever a stock is consolidating, the longer it consolidates, the bigger the breakout is going to be, okay? So if this stock, AMD, breaks out finally, I expect the stock price to be, at least 110 US dollars. Right now, the stock closed at 80.70 US dollars. So once this breakout happens, I am expecting at least 110 US dollars. But you guys know, you know the rest. You know the rest of the story. AMD, solid company. I study automatics and robotics. I'm a university graduate, so anything that has to do with artificial intelligence, all this robotics and stuff, I go crazy about them. And Bngo, in my opinion, they are making use of artificial intelligence as well. I think I still need to update my due diligence, because there are a lot of information about. I didn't even write anything about artificial intelligence in my Bngo Bible, in the due diligence. Nothing about artificial intelligence, nothing about how they are working with Microsoft, nothing about how they are working with Google Cloud, nothing about how they are working with all these smart companies out there that is going to help them to increase their throughput, the throughput of the Sapphire. Nothing like that in the Bngo Bible that I put together. So I still have to work on it over the weekend. I'm going to have plenty of time to work on it. Right now the page is 72 pages, but guys, once I start to go ballistic on that page, I believe it's going to be at least 150 pages once I am done with the due diligence. So 150 pages. Right now it is just 72 pages, and if you haven't, now could be a best time for you to to read it, because once I go crazy on that due diligence page, it may be too much for you guys to read it. So now is still a good time to read it. The market has opened. Bngo opened at 6.20 US dollars. AMC opened with a cap up, but I believe there is a resistance right here at 38 US dollars level. So let's see what's gonna happen with AMC. And Tesla opened with a cap down 619 US dollars. Like I told you guys yesterday, this right here looks like a bearish pattern, and Tesla broke down from the channel. It was going higher, but it came down from the channel. But you guys know I don't bet against Elon Musk. That guy is crazy. Even Dogecoin, that most of cryptocurrency crazy investors are saying has no value, has no purpose, Dogecoin has managed to stay above 10 cents because of Elon Musk. So NEO, as you guys can see, NEO is breaking out. This is what is happening right now with NEO. This is what is happening right now with NEO. And don't be shocked if today, for example, if we close red, most people would panic sold. They will set their position thinking the stock price is going to come back down. No, this right here is a breakout. This is a multi-week breakout, and I don't expect the stock price to come back down into this channel. Of course, it may come back. Nobody knows what's going to happen with the stock market. Any breaking news could happen at any moment and the price could come down, but it is going to be a short term. It's going to be short-lived. So that is the same thing that we saw about Bionano Genomics when we saw this breakout right here. I told you guys that Bngo, this right here, this one right here, when we saw this breakout, we saw these few days coming red, and then bam, all of a sudden. So you guys can see this right here looks to me like it's going to keep going higher. Okay, in my opinion, we should keep going higher like this. And if you guys remember, Sharon, I don't know if Sharon is still there. If you guys remember from 2 weeks ago when I made no, not 2 weeks ago, last week, when I made a video last week, Thursday or Wednesday or so, I told you guys that this upper band of the Bngo band, this moving average, that we are going to touch it, but we need to break it. And you can see we also have the 50 daily moving average right here. We need to touch it and we need to break it. We need to get above these two moving averages before we can see, something clearer. Okay, so right now, that is why the stock price, we have a lot of moving averages right here that are, putting pressure on the stock price of Bionano Genomics. So that's why. So Sharon, you can see this moving average right here. I mean, we touched it on Thursday. I think it was on Thursday, 28th of last month. I think it was on Thursday because the market was closed on Monday. So no, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we touched it on Friday and we retraced. That's what happened with Bngo on Friday. We retraced back, okay? And yesterday, this moving average right here tried to push the price down, but it didn't work. You guys can see that we closed green yesterday. So we just need to clear these two guys right here. I'm going to put a where is this cycle annotation Fibonacci race segment ellipse. I'm gonna put a little ellipse right here. Okay, we need to get above this level. We need to get above this level. Then sky is the limit, guys. Sky is the limit. So AMC, NEO, this is NEO, this is AMD. Like I told you guys, AMD, you have to watch AMD. If you are not yet invested in AMD, AMD. And of course, there is also Doge and this Coinbase thing going on. So somebody asked me to check out CRSP. I want to show you guys CRSP. Okay, let's remove I'm going to leave AMC because AMC is hot, right? So let's remove Doge. Let's put CRSP here. CRSP. Guys, I used to be crazy about CRSP and Intelia and Sagamo and Editas, but my channel is strictly about Bionano Genomics, so unfortunately I cannot share more information with you guys. I should be making videos every day about CRSP, the technology. I'm talking about the Cas9 technology, okay, from this Dr. Doudna, and from Intelia, of course. Doudna is the CEO of Intelia. So this is CRSP right here, guys. This is another stock that I watch every damn day. Every day I watch CRSP. So look at this. Look at what CRSP is doing right now. This is CRSP. This is CRSP. So we are out of this bearish channel, okay? But right now we need to get past this. I'm going to draw something. I'm going to share something with you guys right here. CRSP. This is more or less where we are right now. This channel, this is more or less where we are right now. You could also do it like this. You could do it like this as well, because this one right here is just a trap. This is a trap. This is a bearish trap. We bounce back into the channel, okay? So this is what is happening with CRSP. Once we break out of this channel, this CRSP, you guys can see right now CRSP is trading at 114 US dollars. It was at, I bought in here, right here, I bought in around this 100 US dollars few weeks ago when it was at this price. I bought in, and those positions were up. They are up right now. So if we manage to break out of this channel, CRSP is going to go parabolic. Okay, it's going to go parabolic. So that's all I can share with you guys about CRSP. AMC still going higher, guys. It is still going higher. They want to kill short sellers. They want to kill suits. They want to kill hedge funds. Wall Street bets are going crazy about AMC. According to my RSI, it is overbought right now. Okay, you can see the RSI right now is at 91. So I dare not put my money in AMC. We saw the same thing happen with GME on GameStops in January. I want to get rid of something. Let's take a look at GameStop. Where is my CRSP page? CRSP. Okay, let's take a look at GME. The same thing happened in January with GME when everybody got crazy about GME. This is what happened, guys. This is what happened. That's why if you believe in a company, you just have to put your money there and wait. You know, look at that. GME wasn't doing anything for years, okay? It wasn't doing anything. It was just trading, blah, blah. Short sellers were killing it as much as possible. Then all of a sudden, it went parabolic. Almost 500 US dollars. All the way from 3 US dollars or so. Look at that. 3 US dollars. It went parabolic. And right now, we have a lot of short sellers also, you know. We have Citadel. They are also trying to short Bionano Genomics, okay? They are trying to do everything possible to keep the price of Bionano Genomics down. They are doing everything possible because whenever retail investors are trying to make money from a company, somehow hedge funds always find their way into such a company and ruin everything for retail investors. The paper hand retail investors, of course, if you are diamond hand, if you believe in the company and the mission, you don't have any business with the daily market, the price action. You don't have any business with the short-term value of the stock. You just have to focus on what you are expecting to happen. Look at that, for example, what has been happening since the past 2 weeks or so. Look at that, up, down, up, down. So if you are wondering about this candle, for example, this big red candle, for example, and you were like, oh my god, Bionano Genomics is going down, then you sold your position. Then what happened next? Bam, we went higher, and then we came down again, blah 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 blah, bam. So if you are wondering, if you are worried about what is happening right now, for example, the stock price is 6.15 US dollars, and you are like, oh my god, today is going to be another red day, then maybe in the next 2-3 hours the stock price is going to be at 6.85 US dollars. Then what are you going to be doing? You're gonna be coming back to Dayo and crying, Dayo, why did I close my position? And I'm not gonna be here to, you know, give you tissue to wipe your tears. Okay, I mean, what's going on, everyone? Please drop your comment if you have anything to share with me. Thanks, sister. I try my best. I mean, I try my best. Let me see what's happening with my my trades. Let me see what's happening with my trades. A lot of things are happening right now, guys. So we have Bngo is down like minus 2.22%. Neo is down like 1%. JMI is down like 2.3%. SpaceX, Virgin Galactic is up like 1.18%. Bitcoin up like 3%. Ethereum is up like 5%. BNB is up like 15.6% right now. Amazon is not doing anything. So I am trying to see where the money is moving in at the moment, but I think the money is right now in GameStop. That is where the volumes is. The volumes. Every money is moving into. And AMD is also up at the moment like 1.15%. AMD, guys. So I already spoke about, how many stocks have I spoken about? I spoke about Neo, that you guys should watch Neo because Neo is breaking out. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Neo, you guys can see Neo. And AMD is also breaking out. Okay, I mean AMD is retracing. I'm going to draw AMD a little bit so that you can have a better view of what is happening with AMD. AMD, advanced micro, whatever. So this is AMD right here. You guys can see the breakout that happened with AMD. This is a perfect time to open a position. You guys can see, and even I, spoke about AMD like a few weeks ago. You guys for sure would catch some of this upside. So that is AMD. And Bngo right now, what's happening with Bngo? I mean, we opened with a cap down. We closed yesterday, I think, at 13 point. Yesterday we closed around 6.30 US dollars, and today we opened around 6.20 US dollars. Guys, this is just 10 cents. 10 cents. This stock is barely moving right now. I am still waiting till BNGO is going to be trading around 20 US dollars, around 30 US dollars, and we are going to be seeing the stock price, go up few dollars, like $2-3 in one day, when the volume is huge. Okay, that's what I am still waiting to see. When we're going to be seeing BNGO trade at 50 US dollars, hopefully by God's grace, we all are still going to be here. Nothing is going to happen to us. So then it's going to be much more interesting, because right now when the price is moving like 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, most people are like, meh. Dayo is just here trying to talk positive about Bionano Genomics, and this is the best time to talk positive about this stock. Okay, this is the best time. I have been talking positive about Bionano Genomics since last year December. I, told a lot of close friends. I mean, close friends, close friends. I told them to invest in Bionano Genomics when it was 50 cents. Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. But when the price of BNGO went skyrocketing to even 7 US dollars, everybody was like, oh my God. So I've been doing this, not today, not yesterday. I've been doing it for years. I've been doing this for years. So this is what is happening with BNGO right now. I'm trying to see if I can I want to share some more information with you guys, because I have like 18 minutes left to end this video. Okay, 18 minutes. 18 minutes left. So the trending stocks today, or trending ticker today, are, the first one is Doge coin. Okay, Doge coin, that is the first one. And the second one is Sophie Technologies. The third one is BlackBerry Limited, BB. The fourth one is Zoom. Okay, so yesterday was on Zoom earnings call. Let's take a look at Zoom. Yesterday was Zoom's earnings call. And Zoom, I believe most of you guys also use Zoom for video conferencing and so on and so forth. When Zoom was at this price, I was bearish Zoom. And you guys, this is my first time of talking about Zoom on this channel. I mean, I am not really a fan of Zoom trading at 500 US dollars or something. So Zoom, you guys can see, Zoom went up yesterday, but right now it is retracing, because there is a very strong resistance and it has failed to break it. You guys can see it right here. There is a strong resistance. This is the daily candlestick. You guys can see we went bam, 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 then bam. So Zoom needs to break out of this channel. Unfortunately, it is not happening. You guys can easily see this is technical analysis. I mean, I am not performing magic here. Technical analysis is going to tell you what traders are doing, what the bulls are doing, what the bears are doing, where they are expecting, what the big guys, the whales that are controlling the market, hedge funds, where they are waiting hard. BNGO is an example. This technical analysis is going to tell you guys what is going on. And as you guys can see, we have the 50 daily moving average crossing the 200 daily moving average, and this indicate a bearish trend. Okay, so Zoom has to they have to figure out how to get out of this channel. If not, this in my opinion is not a buy. Until they get out, this is not a buy in my opinion. So BNGO, back to Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics is right now up a little bit, like 6.24 US dollars. So if you have any stock, just drop into the comment section. I have like 16 minutes left. Of course, I'm still going to post video today, so I cannot share everything with you guys in this live stream. I just want to, take a look at what is happening with the market, and let you guys know what is going to happen next week in terms of the stock, the price action. So BNGO seems to be finding its way back to this, to where it's closed yesterday. I'm going to put a horizontal line right here. I think we should get to I think we should get to 6.36 US dollars. Ganz local. In meine Meinung. Why am I speaking German? I think we should get to that price level. Okay. So this is what is happening right now. It's fun. It's fun to draw the technical the pattern. It is very fun to draw the pattern, so you guys can at least see what is going on. Okay, you can see, I think it's from here. We had one breakout right here, then there is another one building, bam 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 bam. We have to touch 6.36 US dollars today, hopefully today. Okay, today. So what's going on, guys? What's Sharon? What's up, guys? CCIV. We have SRNE. So Rento Therapeutics is also, trying to. CNST is up 66.55%. Oh my God. CNST is up 66.70% right now, guys. 66.70%. The market cap of this company is 1.6 billion US dollars. Why is it up 60? Johnson Fistel investigates proposed sale of blah blah blah. Johnson Fistel. Johnson Fistel investigates proposed sale of Constellation Pharmaceutical. They want to sell it. That is why it is up. Constellation Pharmaceutical, 66% right now. Crazy, guys. Crazy. I mean, if you take a look at all those stocks and you are looking at your Bngo position still red while some stock is up like 60%, it drives me crazy. The trending ticker today remains Dogecoin, followed by Sophie, then BlackBerry, then Zoom. So nothing big is happening. Of course, AMC is also there right now, trading at 38 US dollars. As you guys can see, AMC has refused to break that resistance. So there is a possibility that, the price is going to consolidate at this level. I am not trading AMC. I am not invested in AMC. I am just showing you guys what I am seeing. Okay, I am not AMC investor. I just love it that retail investors can finally give it to the hedge funds, the suits on the backside, because those guys are just destroying the market. Look at NEO, guys. NEO keeps going higher. This is NEO. It keeps going higher. So that is a breakout. NEO is breaking out. NEO is breaking out. I would put some money in NEO right now, but my portfolio is fully. I have invested all my money, guys. To put extra money in NEO, I would have to close some positions, but I am not interested in that right now. I don't want to close any position. NEO. BNGO. I'm just gonna stay here till 12 more minutes, and I want to see where the 1 hour is going to close. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes, because it seems the 15 minutes may be showing some kind of fun, something that is going on. I expect the price of BNU to touch 6.36 US dollars at one point. It may be today, it may be tomorrow, but let's wait and see if it's gonna happen today. I think we are going to touch this level today. Okay, I think we should 6.36 US dollars. Ganz local, we should. And Tesla keeps going down. It keeps going down. I think there is a lot of negative news out there right now at the moment about Tesla. I mean, Tesla is getting a lot of hate, and I was also reading today that Tesla is going to recall about 6,000 vehicles because they have problem with the seat belt, because of some seat belt issue. So they want to recall about 6,000 electric vehicles. I don't know if it's Model 3 or Model S or Model X. I can't really remember that news. I believe that is why the price of Tesla right now is heading down. And of course, it was easy because yesterday when I was live, I shared with you guys this chart. It was easy for me to know that Tesla is going to go back down a little bit, but I was hoping at least it's not going to go down. So if you want to put your Fibonacci on Tesla right now and see where it may stop, take a look at the 600 US dollars. There is a possibility that we are going back to 600 US dollars. I am invested in Tesla, but I am not day trading Tesla. Okay, so yeah, guys, please like, click on like if you are watching this right now. If I have provided you some valuable information, please click on like this video, and feel free to share it with your friends so that we can have more participants. Okay, if I get enough views, if I am getting enough live views, I could be coming live every day and sharing more information with you guys, because more or less this is free service. Okay, this is free service. I am not getting paid for having 22 viewers. I'm not getting paid for any of this. If I'm gonna get paid for this live stream, if I am going to get paid, it's probably going to be maybe $1 or $2. So that's why I don't mostly encourage live on streaming, but it's always fun, to have you guys in the background and be able to interact with you guys. It's always fun. So that's why I just thought maybe even if I am tired, I mean, I should share some information with you guys about what is happening in the stock market. Of course, later I'm still going to make video about Bionano Genomics to let you guys know what is going on with my baby Bngo. So this video doesn't mean I am still not going to, share more information. I have a lot of information to share with you guys about Bngo, Bionano Genomics due diligence. That's what we do every day on this channel. So Bngo has managed to, get to 6.30 US dollars, but I expect us to get to this level. Let me move it down a little bit because I think I spot something. So 6.3435 US dollars. We should get to this level. Okay, Gans local. But if we manage to break it like always, you know what's gonna happen. Moon, baby, moon. We are still at the beginning of a huge breakout. This is just the beginning, guys. I mean, I am still throwing money at Bionano Genomics anytime I spot a dip. I even made a t-shirt yesterday about Bngo dip. I think I showed you guys yesterday during the live stream. Here, I have one of them right here. Look at that. Bngo dip. One second. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that you guys can look at that. Dip. So I made this t-shirt when Bionano Genomics was trading at 4 point something US dollars, when most retail investors were panicking. Okay, that's when I made that t-shirt. I designed it and I printed it. I printed several copies of it. I think I have like 6 or so. When Bngo was trading at this level, let me show you guys. I'm going to switch over quickly. You guys can see my price target is almost there. I think we are there already. I mean, I was at one point, this was 6.35 US dollars. So Ganz local, guys. Ganz local. Why do I keep speaking German? So at this price, when Bionano Genomics was right here at 4.30 US dollars, that is when I made this t-shirt. And I made a tweet about it, okay, that I am making a t-shirt, a tease for Bngo. The price was right here, right here. That's when I made the t-shirt. You can easily see on the chart, but it's not visible on the camera. But if you guys, for real, if you see this t-shirt in real, you can see the price right there. 4.30 US dollars. That is the price. And I also made a copy which when the price was 4.58 US dollars as well. That is when I added to my position of Bionano Genomics when most people were panicking. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. According to a very wise man, he goes by the name Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investor alive today. I mean, we are lucky that the man is still alive. I don't know how Warren Buffett is doing it, but that guy is old, but he's still looking like like a 15-year-old man. So, yeah, 6.32 US dollars, 6.32 US dollars. So I'm expecting us to get to that level, that resistance. We need to get to that resistance. So if you were day trading this, you guys know what to do, okay? If you are day trading BNG right now, you know what to do. We could easily get to that point and then come back down to 6 US dollars. Like I always tell you guys, keep an open mind. That is what I expect to keep happening with Bionano Genomics. We are going to be going higher and coming back lower. We will keep going higher, coming back. I mean, we go high, we come low. We go high. We are going to be setting higher high and lower and higher low. So higher high, lower low. Higher low. Sorry, higher high, lower higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. That's how technical analysis, stock price, price action. So we touched it. 6.34 US dollars, people. 6.34 US dollars. Please, if you are watching this right now, smash the like button. Okay. 6.33 US dollars. 6.33 US dollars. So we have like 5 minutes left, and we are going to end this live stream. Okay, so that is what is happening right now. If we manage to break this resistance, I mean, if we manage to, break this resistance on the 1 hour candlestick and we stay above this level, then it is a good sign. If not, I think there is a possibility that that is it for today. I mean, that is a resistance. Okay, there is a possibility that is it for today, and we can see the stock price consolidate for some time, maybe 2-3 hours. The stock price may consolidate. Okay, then hopefully we try to we retest this resistance again, and then we can keep going higher. But if not, here is the support right here, guys. 5.90 something, 6 US dollars. That is the support. So that is all I believe I have for you guys in terms of technical analysis of Bionano Genomics right now. Okay, that's what I believe I have for you guys. And Tesla keeps going down. Let's take a look at Doge coin, Doge, because Doge has also retraced a little bit. So I mean, that is it, guys. That is it. Okay, that is it. So Bngo went to my resistance, and it's coming down right now. It is coming down. Day traders are doing everything with this stock. They are doing everything. If you want to invest in Bngo, if this is your first time and you want to initiate a position, you just have to open a little bit. If you have 300 US dollars, like I always say, put 50 US dollars right here. When the price, for example, comes down a little bit, you can put another 50 US dollars, or you put 100 US dollars. Maybe you double in 100 US dollars. And if we manage to break this resistance, then you can add to your position. So that is how to average into a company, a stock. You don't go all in at once. Okay, you just go in little by little and you hold and wait, because nobody knows when Bngo is going to drop a press release. Nobody knows when the stock market is going to go extremely bullish again. You want to be prepared. You don't want to be caught off guard. Okay, so like AMC, for example, you can see bam, 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 and right now it is still going crazy. It has finally broken my resistance. Right now AMC is trading at 40 US dollars, guys. 40 US dollars. That is absolutely insane. AMC is up today 27.9%. 27.9%. I mean, I don't even know what to say. 27.9%. So I think that's where we're going to end this video. I have 2 minutes left. If you guys are new on this channel, please subscribe, and you can easily find my Bngo due diligence right here. Even though I am talking about technical analysis, believe me, I have spent hours talking about fundamental analysis. This video, right, for example, this due diligence, when I recorded it, it took me about 2 hours. Okay, and this video right here is about 1 hour video, so you can easily go there and listen to it and learn more about Bionano Genomics. You have to learn more about the company you are holding. Okay, you need to learn more about the company you are holding, and don't let anybody fool you out of your position. So yeah, Sharon, have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Bye bye.